Hello everyone and welcome back to Acer EduTorial. Are you ready to learn a little more about your next laptop? Which is the best form factor for your school? Well, for starters, think about your students' age and their tasks. Do they need to edit or create media content? How often do they work in groups? Let's kick things off with a classic, the Clamshell. That's right, the most traditional and affordable form factor, perfect for any everyday task. Still, with a twist, thanks to their lay-flat design, these displays feature a 180-degree hinge. It really comes in handy and it's perfect for co-working and document sharing with classmates. Plus, our latest laptop also features a camera shutter right here, because privacy always comes first. And it's definitely more efficient than masking tape. Also, selected Clamshell Chromebooks come with optional touch display. Younger students love it because, they can rely on the pointers they were born with, their fingers. Still, more and more schools chose a different option, the convertible form factor. In several countries, one laptop out of 3 is completely convertible, thanks to the 360 hinge. Students can pick the most comfortable position among clamshell, tent, display, or tablet mode, and teachers can focus on their lesson with no interruption. Convertible laptops make learning interactive during the entire school cycle. They are a versatile learning companion to develop skills and accomplish new tasks. And there's more, their ruggedized design ensures durability and resistance from daily wear and tear. Being designed for K-12, 11 inches and 12 inches convertible devices also feature a world-facing camera right here above the keyboard to let students take pics and videos for their creative projects. Cherry on top, each convertible laptop comes with an optional active pen. Yes, that's right. Taking notes and working on assignments never felt so easy and natural for all students. And selected laptops even feature a special slot to dock the pen right here. Do you know what it means? No risk of losing it. If you can't get enough of optional pens, I have a good news for you. They're available also for laptops with larger screen display to meet the needs of teachers and higher ed students. Think about highlighting key facts on the screen or revising an assignment with an active pen. A time saver, but also a lifesaver. And if you're looking for a superior multitasking experience, don't worry. The latest Intel Core processor has got you covered. Now you know what you need to choose the best form factor for your school's laptop. Follow our upcoming episodes, and if you need further information, visit the Acer blog to download our exclusive guide. It's very useful to compare devices and make the right pick. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.